Welcome back to Wild Wonders. This month's wonder is wild honeybees.
There are 4,000 bees native to North America. The honeybee was originally imported to North America in the 17th century. While wild honeybees, like 1 in 4 other bees, are imperiled and at increasing risk of extinction, managed honeybees are not, because beekeepers are better at compensating for losses. Bees are especially important pollinators, and their decline will lead to an agricultural decline, reducing the amount and variety of vitamins and minerals available to us in foods such as spices, herbs, teas, and coffee. The best way to learn about native bees is by planting a pollinator garden filled with native plants and native perennials and annual flowers. Some suggested plants are asters, goldenrods, and coneflowers. Bees also like plants such as blueberry, willow, or nightshade families. The loss of habitat is one of the reasons for bee decline. Also affecting the number of bees is declining forage in quality and availability, as many of their preferred plants are wild. Other risks are parasites and pathogens, climate change, and pesticides. Solitary native bees are less likely to sting than managed honeybees, who are usually protecting large hives. Bees live in hives with a queen, worker bees, and drones. They work together using dances to tell directions and distance to flowers. They also work together to care for their young, produce honey, and protect themselves. Honeybees produce honey as a food source for the hive during winter. They usually produce 2 to 3 times more honey than they need, which is good for us. A worker produces about 0.08 of a teaspoon of honey, so it takes lots of workers to get the job done. We have lots of worker bees in the hive. We only have 1 queen bee per hive. A queen bee is actually created. A larvae are fed special food called royal jelly that helps the larvae become a fertile queen. And when they're out looking for their food, honeybees can fly between 15 to 20 miles per hour. A colony can contain up to 60,000 bees. When a colony dies or leaves its hive and never returns, which is called colony collapse disorder, that means we have lost up to 60,000 bees at one time. This is a serious threat to the continued existence of honeybees and our agricultural system. So when you get a chance, leave those spring flowers for the bees and be sure to save our bees.
So get out there and explore the Carolina outdoors.